Here is the third video on factoring strategy. We do have a trinomial this time, which is 3p cubed minus 10p square plus 8p. But this time the degree of this is 3. It's a cubic polynomial. Now how to factor these? As you can see, p is a common factor. So first do group factoring, and that is factor out p, right? Then you are left with 3p square minus 10p plus 8. Now that is a familiar trinomial, quadratic in nature, degree 2. To factor this, we'll adopt product and sum. So we'll take two numbers, and this time these two numbers are not p and q but a and b, right? Because I don't want to confuse you with these p's. So let the two numbers be a and b, whose product should be how much? 8 times 3, 3 times 8, or 24. And this sum should be minus 10. So what numbers could give you product of 24 and sum of minus 10? Both should be negative, right? So that when you add, you get negative. When you multiply, you get positive. The numbers are 6 and 4. 6 times 4 is 24, and when you add them, you get minus 10. So they will work. Now, what we can do is, we can write our trinomial as 3p square minus 6p minus 4p plus 8. So at this stage, we actually wrote 10 as sum of 6 and 4, both with negative sign. Now we got 4 terms. Let's combine the first two and the next two. Then what do we get? Do you see some common factors here? 3p is a common factor. Let's factor out 3p from the first group. We're left with p minus 2. In the second group, number 2 is common between 4 and 8. So when you factor 2, you are left with p minus 2. Note, this sign is negative. When you factor negative, inside sign should change. The plus 8 when divided by minus 2 will give us, so we should have factored 4, sorry. 4 is common, right? I was getting this to be same. Now 4 is a common, 4 times 2 is 8. So when you factor out 4, 4p divided by 4 is just p, and plus 8 divided by minus 4, we have minus 4 outside, we'll get minus 2. Now at this stage, we can factor p minus 2, and we'll get 3p minus 4 as our answer. This could be written as p times p minus 2 times 3p minus 4. So that is the factored form of 3p square minus 10p square plus 8p. Thank you.